GitHub Advanced Security is having a transformative impact on how quickly we can deliver software to our customers. Our customers can be highly regulated, they might be dealing with incredibly sensitive personal data. They want to make sure that their data is kept safe.
Developers maybe store our username, password, or API keys on plain text in our source code. What the tool does in terms of secret scanning is bring front of mind to our engineers that's not safe to do it, and it prompts them to safely handle like username, password, secrets instead of store them in the source code. In terms of security scanning, we want to catch that at the commit or at the pull request level.
One of the main feedbacks that we collected from developers, it was that security was outside of software development cycle. You're creating your new feature and maybe the security feedback is coming when that product is going to be released, which can take easily weeks or even months. We were looking for alternatives that could introduce security feedback as part of your day-to-day. So with Advanced Security, we had a way not only to identify the secrets as part of the process, but even to prevent the secret to be into your repository history.
There's a tab directly in your repo that shows you all of your vulnerabilities, and they're front and center. You can't ignore them. That's been really helpful for encouraging our developers to take control over their own application security. And it's empowered them too, because there's often suggestions on how to improve security in each of the vulnerability reports.
We try to meet the developers where they are in their development process. The code we write, is it secure, is it safe, does it contain any secrets? So when a developer is looking to push that code in for the first time, we want secret detection to happen right there in that moment. GitHub helped developers with visibility and the transparency into the security health of their code base.
The minute a secret makes it onto Git, you essentially need to consider it to have been compromised. Enabling push protection across all of our repositories means that we don't have to work as much